हाय, वेलकम टू द आरएम शो। आज क्या सीखा? आज मैं बताऊंगा अगेन आपको व्हाट्सएप की दो ऐसी ट्रिक्स जो मुझे मालूम है आपको नहीं पता है और जिसे यूज करके आप व्हाट्सएप को और अच्छे से यूज कर सकते हैं। और ये ट्रिक्स जानने के लिए इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखें। और अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर नहीं किया है दूसरों के साथ, तो ये सही समय होगा बिफोर यू लर्न द ट्रिक्स ऑफ व्हाट्सएप। प्लीज डू दैट। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की कहानी से। A bus full of passengers was going by the countryside. All of a sudden, the weather changed. It started to rain with lot of thunder and lightning. To the horror of the passengers, they saw that the lightning was striking at close distance of the bus, missing it by a whisker. It happened for 2 or 3 times and it missed the bus at a very close distance. The driver finally stopped the bus 50 feet away from a tree and made an announcement. I think someone in the bus, his death is certain today, and because of him we will also die. So what we have to do is each one of us will go to the tree, touch it and come back. Whosever faith is not right today will be struck by lightning, will die, but all of us will get saved. The passengers had no options. They had to push the first person by force. He went reluctantly, touched the tree, and to his relief, he was saved. The lightning did not strike. He came back, and then one by one, all the passengers went and did the same exercise. Then came the last person. Everyone looked at him with an accusing eye, that he is the person responsible for our destiny today. That guy was also afraid, but he was pushed by all the other passengers to go and touch the tree. He was frightened. He saw death eminently in front of him. As soon as he went and touched the tree, the lightning struck. Yes, the lightning struck, but it struck the bus, and everyone in the bus died. And the only person who got saved was the poor guy standing by the tree. It was his luck, his faith, which was saving everyone. तो इस कहानी से हमने क्या सीखा? Every time we try to take the credit for whatever good happens in our life on ourselves. It can be because of someone sitting right next to us. It can be because of the unconditional support of your parents, your spouse, your siblings, your friends, your office colleagues. Their support helps you achieve the success what you enjoy. So always have gratitude for the people in and around you. They contribute equally in your life and in your success. Today we cannot imagine our communications without the help of WhatsApp. And WhatsApp as a company ensure that it keeps on improving on things which makes our using of WhatsApp easier. आज मैं बताता हूँ आपको दो ऐसे नए फीचर्स जो WhatsApp ने इंट्रोड्यूस किए हैं जिससे आपका WhatsApp यूज करना और इजी हो जाएगा। पहला, don't you find it nagging when you send a message to someone and you realize there is a spelling mistake in it, or you have written something and you want to make some corrections to it? अभी हम क्या करते थे, हमें वो मैसेज डिलीट करना पड़ता था क्योंकि मैसेज एडिट करने का ऑप्शन नहीं था, अब है। WhatsApp now introduces message editing feature. Within 15 minutes of sending any message, you can actually edit any message what you had sent either to someone in person or in a WhatsApp group. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, उस चैट को सेलेक्ट करें, मेनू में जाएं और you will get the edit option. Click on that. You can just go and edit the option and voila, the edit is done. You don't have to delete it for everyone and send it again. Don't you find it interesting? I find it very useful. इसे यूज करें और कमेंट में अपना फीडबैक दें whether you find it interesting or not. Second, WhatsApp now allows you to send high resolution messages with making some changes in your setting. Just go to the setting, go to storage and data. उसमें लास्ट ऑप्शन है फोटो अपलोड क्वालिटी. दिस इज बाय डिफॉल्ट सेट एज ऑटो. इसको आप बेस्ट क्वालिटी फोटो में कर दीजिए. नाउ यू कैन सेंड हाई रेजोल्यूशन इमेजेस टू ईच अदर विथ नो रेस्ट्रिक्शंस. आई एम श्योर you will find both these tricks very interesting and you will use it extensively. I look forward for your comments. Do watch my videos, share it extensively, like, subscribe. Till the next video, keep watching. Bye bye.